Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is TCGSETSUNA here. For today's video, we have a holiday waifu box here. I've been seeing this box for a while, haven't had a chance to pick it up. Thought I'd just grab one, see what we have. I know this box doesn't come with any packs or anything. This is the Lingdong box, I think. I think this is the set SDKH1. Obviously it's a Christmas box, so I'm guessing all the cards are holiday sets. It does come with like kind of like a deck or promo packs. Anyways, this box just came like this, no wrapping on it, but let's find out what's inside. Here we go. Pretty good box. It's nice foam. Here we go. So I'm guessing here's where we get all the cards. This little seal right there. A little tampering with it. Nice box to put, you know, your cards or anything if you want to put anything in there. Let's put this to the side here. Let's zoom in here since I'm not going to be needing none of that. Let's get our handy knife here. There you go. Cut the seal. Why I bother? There you go. As you can see, we have a bunch of cards here. Check this out. We're gonna go through all these. See what we have. Starting off, we have a beautiful Ram card here. Ram and Ram right here. That's a very nice card. Alright. Whoop. Don't want that slipping, so let's do this. Put them here on the side. Zoom in a little bit. And we'll go through them. Our first card. Very nice. So, another holiday, like the little Santa right there. Very nice card. Oh, and the back is a puzzle. So you got a puzzle on the back as well. Interesting. There you go. I like these are textured, so very nice. There we go. Nice little beautiful card here. Like all the card is now hollow. You only get hollows on like certain things. That's pretty neat. Alright, here we go. Nice matte finish right there. Beautiful card. Really gorgeous card here. Very Christmassy. I like the little stars right there. Pops out very nice in this. There we go. I'm not sure if these are SSRs or SRs. I think it says SD at the bottom. Maybe you can see that. SD 11. Very nice. Well, this one's very nice right here. Very beautiful card. Have a little Santa in the back. Alright. Gorgeous cards. I'm guessing even if you buy another box, you probably get the same cards. I'm not sure if there's any difference if you get a second box. I will have to try that. I will have to get a second box and open it and compare it to this one. See if there's any difference. Other than that, it's a nice little set here that you can pick up. If you don't want to open packs and you just want nice hit cards, I think this is a nice route to go. Beautiful card. I like this one. Very nice. Oh, so only a few of them are puzzles. Not all of them have the puzzle design in the back. Gorgeous card right here. Let me know what you guys think. Is this something that you guys be interested in these type of boxes? Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Don't forget to join our February giveaway. I like this right here. The gold is very nice. There we go. Very nice card. Got a little show and tell there. Merry Christmas. Got a Nami card here. Nice Nami card right here, Christmas style. Oh, this one's gorgeous. I like the gingerbread man right there. Gingerbread, and what is it? Like a little snowman or something. Or, could be wrong. Looks awesome though. Alright. So far I like all the cards. All the designs are nice. Okay, here we go. I like that. Look, little President's hollow. It looks nice. Not overly hollowed, which is good. And some cards are good. Let me know which one's your favorite down below, if you have any favorites. Hard to pick when there's so many nice ones here. And from what it looks like, no repeats. So I'm guessing you get all different kinds with no repeats, which is good. Very nice. Beautiful card. This one's nice. I like the dress. I always like these Chinese dresses. They always look really nice. Got it here. Alright. Beautiful card. Another nice card right there. I like the gold on this one. Got a nice little ghost card. This one's gorgeous right here. I like this one. That blue with the silver really stands out. I like the whole window thing. Reminds me of where is that? That Pokemon card with the snow on it. I forgot which one it was, man. It was a Grusha card. I think it was that one. It could be wrong. Hey, there we go. Okay, it's a little gingerbread. There we go. Very nice card right here. This one's very nice. The brown and silver stands out. The hollow. Another gorgeous round card here. Beautiful card. Here we go. So it has a little bit more hollow. That's beautiful. There you go. Merry Christmas right there. Ooh. Very nice. Demon Slayer. A Nessicle card. Very nice. Like the hollow on this and the star. Very well. Got a pair of Christmas gifts right here. What we want for Christmas. Very nice card. Like this right there. Looks awesome. There we go. Not too bad of a card. Looks cute. Very nice. We got a little cake right there. Oh, I like these little skulls, are nice. Very well made. Not bad. Merry Christmas right there. Beautiful card. I guess that's all of them. Nice big chunk right here. And they're decent size, so let me know what you guys think of this box. This is something you'll pick up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, join our giveaway, and let me know which one's your favorite card. Alright, we'll catch you guys in the next one.